Hi everyone, just making this little video to show you how your Dalek Emperor kit will look when you get it. Straight out of the box it will look like this. The skirt section could be undercoated in a matte black. It might not be, it depends if I have the appropriate amount of spray paint to do them all, but if not, no worries, because there's a little bit of cleanup work to do. So this is what you'll have to do first. Take a piece of sandpaper, quite a rough piece of sandpaper, lay it flat and eliminate all of the roughage on the bottom until it's flat. And you just rub it onto the sandpaper. Use a solid surface, a flat solid surface as well when you're doing this. It's best to sand in a circular motion. Until you're happy with it. It's a similar story for the hemispheres. Take your hemisphere and place it on top of some sandpaper and just go in a circular motion until the bottom of the hemisphere is flush, and so that this hemisphere will go nicely into the slot, where you can glue it in place with a little tiny blob of super glue and you're well away. Unless you'd rather paint them first, in which case once you've sanded them, spray them matte black and wait until you've painted the skirt section. Now the head will come looking like this. There's a minor seam line which needs sanding, but other than that it pops nicely on top of the skirt and comes off nice and easy. The eye stalk just slides into position like that, where you can glue that in, and then it's all ready for paint. It's as simple as that. Have fun painting it and post up the results on the character options Facebook group, or make a YouTube video and let me know. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with, and I hope this is helpful in some way. If you're after one of these kits, head over to my Etsy store and wait for them to come in stock. My Etsy is NDW Design, and that's the UK Etsy store.